Folks, here we go. The 2012 Centurion C100 Rainbow Skylights. Instructors, is that the sound I like to hear? Here we go. There goes Chris Comer on the PK Express team. Here we go. Look at all those jerseys. Love the colors. Nice and easy. Rolling on our good feeling for about 4 or 5 miles. Want to make sure everyone gets underway. Nice and stable here. There he goes. Former Canadian Road Race champion Leon Dornelis joining us today. Thank you, Leon. Great to see you out on the course. Berger as well, riding today with 2 former Canadian Road Race bench champions. Nice to see them. Here we go, the C100, our signature event. This is what it's all about. 100 miles. Coming up. Helicopter overhead, shooting all of this for TSN. It's going to be a featured show on TSN Orbit later on in the fall. Stay tuned to CenturionCycling.com. We'll let you know when that show is going to come up. Have a great day out there, riders. One of the great scenes in sport, the start of a mass cycling event. The color, the noise, it's all going on here at Centurion. Canada Super, there goes our last riders across the line, there they go. We had a few people sweep in and miss the seats